Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I lost it for a second. I'm gonna be using Chap Los Angeles. I just received this yesterday. Was about the TRC order that I've been holding on for a while, because I was waiting on Le Corsair from Singari, man. So I got Chap Los Angeles, Le Corsair, and Ghost Stories. The other one is gonna be for maybe tomorrow, next shave. I don't know, but it's gonna be done. Of course, where is it? I have too much stuff on my vanity. Matching splash. And for the razor, I'm gonna be using my Rex Konsul with a, what blade did I put in here? Gillette Silver Blue, second use. I haven't shaved for almost 2 days. And for the brush, if I clean it up a little bit, you can see. I'm gonna be using my Grizzly Bay. I don't know exactly, this is an old one that I bought secondhand. I think it's a 30mm, not sure, but anyway, it's already loaded. I pull out one of the cadrants. So yeah, I loaded on the cadran. Sorry, Chris, but I need to use the bowls once in a while. I know I enjoy too much the face lathering, but I need to use the bowls. Nothing wrong with it. So hope everybody's doing well. It's a little before 4-5 in the morning, Friday. My voice is getting better, pretty much almost all the way back to normal. Not coughing that much. Forgot to say this is a badger knot, but no clue which knot is it. I think it's a maggots. I've been off work for 2 days because somebody complained. Well, not complain. It's a complaint that he wants hours. I was the only one working. But the problem is they cut 2 days of me. Oh, that's no bueno. No bueno at all. Unless they find work for us on the weekend, which I doubt. Because they don't work the weekends, now that I remember. So we'll see what happens. The scent is a citrus, very refreshing scent, summer scent, or bright, fruity scent. Definitely a good one. I still think that pine and clementine is my favorite, but it's really good. It's a really good one. Already looking good. Let's go for it. It's been a while since I used the Konsul. Okay, Konsul in 3.5 set. Should be fine. Bury my filling at 3.5. The Konsul was my first holy grail, because when I started researching the hobby, man, it was the first person that I found. So I saw when he came out with the ambassador, the envoy, and then the Konsul. Oh yeah, very sleek. The Konsul, but they were out of my price range. At that time, I was still living in Puerto Rico, making $7.25 an hour. And then I moved here, started making better money. So on a Black Friday, I decided to grab it. It's a pretty cool razor. At that time, I enjoy adjustables. Love their mechanics. But the engineering behind it. I went with the Konsul because I wanted something different. And at that time, and I think it still is the only stainless steel stand adjustable made in the USA. He's a good performer. I don't know if I believe really about the slant. To me, it's more like a gimmicky thing, because I think for the angle to be more, has to be way more aggressive to be more effective. So to me, it shapes like a normal double edge. But it's cool to look at. Very nice. Let's go for a third pass. Yeah, the scent is really nice. Very nice scent. Have a couple of soaps on their way too, especially from Dove, since, you know, due to the situation here or around the world, pretty much, it's gonna be hard to come by. So there were there were a few that I have my eye on, but never pulled the trigger. So decided to buy them just before they get harder to get, in case he never ships again to the US. Oh, cut my lip. Yeah. Went too aggressive. Went too aggressive. But yeah, hopefully this gets fixed, solved, or we can get it again on the States. So the new label for the Anton cabin, and I want it. I had the old one. Have to pull it out. Very smooth so far. Try and be more careful. Tunics. Yeah, wasn't as bad as I expected. Oh yeah, got everything out. It's pretty efficient, I guess. Pretty efficient. A 3.5. That's a razor. Is it my favorite? No. I lean more to the 3-piece razors. But it's a great shaver, nonetheless. Just another good razor. I have way too many. Time for the splash. Yeah, Los Angeles. Now get the mix. Oh yeah. Got a good hit on the lip. It was a great shave, regardless of that was my fault. And still it's not that bad. I need to put the Asylum V3, and then you're gonna see me bleed. Yeah. It was a great shave. Well, thank you for watching. That's gonna be it for today. It's a very citrus bright scent. It's really nice. If you like it. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go. I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Don't know if I'm gonna use which one I'm gonna use, but anyway, I'll see you in the next shave. Have a great day.